Alright, welcome back everyone. For those of you that are just tuning in for the first time, thank you. Consider subscribing. For those of you who are returning, thanks for watching the video, and remember to give a thumbs up guys if you like it. If you have any questions, I'd say comment down below and I'll try to get to them as soon as I can as well. So I'm sure a lot of you guys know what this is, some of you may not. This is one of those Android radios from Phoenix Automotive. It's basically a Tesla Screen is what they're calling it, and this is the 13.6 inch model. So I just thought I'll do a quick unboxing video just to show you what comes in there. Then after that we're going to do an install in another video, and I'll also show you guys how to remove the old radio in another video as well. So just to show you what the box looks like real quick. So, and it's labeled all around, well packaged too. You know, these are some of the things that you can do. I won't get into this right now. This is just to unbox it, to basically show you, you know, what it looks like and how it comes. So first off, in opening the box, you're going to get this piece of paper here, and it's going to basically show you everything that comes inside the box, or that should be there. Yeah, everything, there's a check mark there. I'm not even going to read all this crap. Get rid of that. Alright. Yeah, I know, not the neatest unboxing, right? Yeah. Alright, so when you get the radio, of course, they're going to give you I want to say a plethora of connections. That's that mess down there. I don't even know where to start. They have some videos online. I may look at those, but I guess I'll just make one on my own just to show what my experience has been like as well. I'll try to go through these cables and see exactly what they do. So this one here says it's a power cord, and I can already tell, let's get this focus in, I can already tell this piece looks like it will go here. I mean, this is how I'm gonna have to play with it, honestly, and match everything up. This looks like the antenna for the radio right here. This piece here. So, but of course, you know, when I'm installing the radio, I'm gonna go through it again, and I'm gonna record it so you guys can basically see as well. This piece, like I said, I can already tell it goes right here. And basically in their videos, what they're saying is you just match everything up. So that's what I'm going to do, but I'm also going to read as well. Because for example, this is showing me two here. Not sure what this is. Okay, so GPS is here, Wi-Fi is here. So this piece is going to go here. And then this is the GPS. So what they recommend is when you're running this cable, don't leave it behind the radio. You kind of want to run it maybe to the top of your dashboard somewhere, but honestly I'm not going to put it on top of my dashboard because I want the area to be nice and clean, because I plan on getting that wrapped. So what I will do, I'm going to try to run it maybe out to the side of the car. I don't know yet. I'm going to play with it because see how much length this is and try to put it somewhere nice and clean that it's out of the way and never have to see it again, while also maintaining a good GPS signal. So this piece is going to go to the second one here, and it's all labeled guys, it's all labeled. Alright, or should I say most of it is labeled. This is a display port. If you want to connect an external DVD player of some sort, I'm not going to be doing that. One key thing that I forgot to mention is this thing, this radio, there's a bunch of connections here, right? And if you realize, they all have grooves. So let me bring this in a bit closer so you can see. Oh. So they all have grooves pointing left or right or whatever. So for example, if you're putting in something, it's not working, don't force it, right? Don't force it. Just take it out. It's like a USB, a thumb drive. If it doesn't fit the other way, you turn it the other way. Apart from USB Type-C, that's a whole different story. So when you have it, see this here? That's a groove. And this is labeled, these are basically USB connections here. So you want to put this here. Like I said, if it doesn't fit, don't force it. Alright? Too snug is not always a good thing. Alright, so going over the cables real quick. This says AV in, so I'm going to assume these are for the cameras. And by looking at these writing here, aux in, video in, back, SCAM in, so this is definitely your camera feed. These are some USB cables, or extension USB cables. It's going to go in the radio as well. I'm going to do probably a separate video showing how everything is connected for my vehicle. That's that. This is another USB cable that connects inside here. We're going to get into all of this. This has a few cables. I know right off the bat, but this piece here is for the, definitely here, it's for the radio. This is the power cord. I'm going to say this goes here, it's the largest one. And I'm going to have to figure out what to do with the rest of these here. You have a RCA cable. This is a line out cable. This is for your audio, definitely, yep. Power sub out, yeah, this is for your audio. No clue what this is, but I'll figure it out. This is your GPS cable. It's going to go here. It's labeled GPS, Wi-Fi. GPS goes here. Wi-Fi piece goes here. A little antenna. This is a camera cable. Camera cable.